Good morning from Coram, New York. We are blessed to be at the Christ Baptist Church here in Coram. We got the crew up on the roof. We got the home protection set up. We got the tarp set to the trailer, to the truck, the debris going right into the dump truck here. We have to prioritize the home protection. You know, Sunday when they let church out, the kids gonna be running around the field. We can't be having little kids stepping on nails. So we're here, we're in action. Let's take a look at the project. Follow me. See, the guys are pulling over there by the rake edge. The flashing looks pretty good. It's all nice laying flat, nothing wrong with the flashing there. So you can see by the plywood where the original church was and where a new extension was. They originally framed this church and you have that OSB plywood there. And then sometime later they built on the back, and that little back is an extension. That's why you have two different types of plywood. All right, let's go this way. Look at this beautiful stained glass up here on the side of the building. You got the main one and two on the side. One of my biggest concerns were these three stained glass windows. These stained glass windows are irreplaceable. If we break them, they're done. There's no putting them back together. They're handmade. So thankfully the roof is off, the stained glass is still in place, and look at them, they're absolutely beautiful. I had the pleasure of coming to this church 2 weekends ago for service, and I was amazed at how amazing these looked inside the church. This is a place of God. I want to make sure that this place is protected. They don't ever have to deal with any leaks. It is super important. Remember what I was saying about the stained glass? Look how beautiful. It's absolutely incredible. It's an honor to be here. It's a privilege to be here. And what I'm doing here inside the church now is I'm checking on the chandeliers, I'm checking on the stained glass on the ground, making sure no debris came through. I want to make sure that this church has no issues serving their community, serving their congregation, and serving God. Everything looks good. All the chandeliers are intact. None of the light bulbs came loose. We had a problem doing one in the city where a couple of the light bulbs came off. So I just really want to make sure everything's good in here. No debris. No issues whatsoever.
We're not changing that flashing against there, right?
Nah. Yeah. No, it looks good.
Deacon's happy.
Deacon, the pastor, everybody's happy. Oh yeah. Looking good. Not bad. 5,000 square feet of roofing ripped, or like 4,300 square without waste by 9 o'clock.
So what are we gonna do in the middle?
What are you doing with this? That's what I want to know.
Sometimes we put the debris.
Yo, we got thunderstorms coming at 3 o'clock. It's 60%, 4 o'clock it's 40. So I would say, let's make sure, obviously we got to make sure everything's watertight before the rain comes. I mean, things could change. I don't see a single cloud in the sky, but let's keep track of, it's supposed to rain later. Let's make sure that everything gets watertight as soon as possible. God forbid that changes.
2 hours.
And yeah, it depends on when the boom truck gets here, right? But no, we got the synthetics. We got everything we need in the trailer. All right, guys, the materials just got here. If you look at the truck, all that is for us. Part of being a good boss, part of being a good manager is knowing when to jump in and when to get your hands dirty. Now, these guys can roof this, no problem. But each one of those bundles of shingles weighs 80 pounds. I'm gonna jump up on the roof. I'm gonna help them get all these materials loaded properly. Well, guys, we've had a little bit of a change here. We weren't expecting it, but look at the clouds. We got some thunderstorms coming in, so now it's a race against the clock. We're getting the underlayments on, ice and water shield, synthetic paper, paper's wrapped over the ridge.